That's why we are not able to see the the results quite well. So one thing to test our idea first, if I grab a division again, if I divide these results by, I don't know, like 100 and then put this in. So you see now, I see the change and it's way more controlled, but a bit small now. So maybe 25 might be helpful. Okay, let's just double click to this, 25. And you see, if I pull this point here, then again, what we'll be seeing is they are all overlapping on one another. I mean, which might be something you want to do, which might be something you want to avoid. But there are a couple of ways to control this data. The one thing, or the most common one, is to take these values and